Fry Station, you'll learn how to cook all the different fry products, like chicken, fish, and French fries. In this video, you'll learn the basics on how to work the Fry Station, which includes how to operate the fryers, how to cook products, and tips on how to work safely and efficiently. If you have any questions on what you see, ask your trainer. Before we get started, it's important to remember to always wash and sanitize your hands properly before working at any station. Let's start with learning how to operate the fryers. The fryers in your restaurant are filled with liquid shortening and heated to a temperature of 350 degrees. Make sure the shortening level in each fryer is maintained at the fill line. If the shortening falls below that level, it needs to be filled. You'll learn more about that procedure later with your trainer. Your trainer will also show you how to skim the fryers to remove floating and burnt particles to keep them out of the cooked products we serve our guests. Your restaurant may have up to 3 fryers, designated as fryer number 1, fryer number 2, and fryer number 3. Each fryer can accommodate up to 2 baskets or racks at one time. Products should only be cooked in designated fryers, which should be clearly labeled. On the front of each fryer, there are timers used for each product. Each timer is pre-programmed with the cook and hold time for each product to ensure great product quality. Now that you know how the fryers are operated, let's see how products are cooked. Our most popular fried product is French fries, so that means you'll be cooking a lot of them. Since most of our products are cooked the same way, we will use fries as an example. All the products at the Fry Station are kept in the reach-in freezer. Only pull out the products needed for cooking and then place the bag or extra products back into the freezer. Start by filling the basket 1/3 to no more than 1/2 full. Do not fill the basket more than half full or all the fries won't cook properly. Always try to cook less more often, which means cooking several smaller batches rather than one large batch. That way, we always serve hot, fresh fries to our guests. Another important point, avoid placing 2 baskets of fries into the same fryer at the same time. It causes the shortening temperature to drop, taking longer for the product to cook. During busy periods, baskets can be staged or pre-filled with fries and held on the staging racks. If you have a staging rack in your restaurant, your trainer can provide you with more details on this too. Lower the basket gently into the correct fryer for French fries, which is fryer number 1 or 2. Press the timer labeled for French fries. After 30 seconds, the timer will beep and the display will read SH, which means shake. Gently lift and shake the fries to separate them so they don't stick together while cooking. Always wait for the timer to go off, and always cook products for the full cook time. If you remove or pull products early, they will be undercooked. We never want to compromise quality for the sake of speed. When the cook time is complete, the timer will beep again and read cook. Press the timer to turn it off. This will also reset the timer to count down the hold time. Lift the basket out of the fryer, gently shake or place the basket on the drain rack for about 10 seconds. This allows the excess shortening to drain back into the fryer. To ensure crispness, never leave any cooked product hanging over the fryer for more than 10 seconds. Gently dump the fries into the holding area and immediately salt them thoroughly and evenly. That's what gives our fries that great taste. Now that we know how the fries are cooked, let's see how they are packaged. We sell fries in several different sizes. We have a different bag or carton for each size. Your trainer will show you where they are kept in your restaurant. Use the fry scoop to fill the correct size bag or carton. In this example, take the fry scoop in one hand and the carton in the other. Insert the scoop into the carton. Make sure the funnel slides all the way down to the bottom. While holding the scoop and carton with your thumb and index finger, hold the carton in one place with your remaining fingers. Slide the scoop and carton into the pan and scoop up the fries. Only scoop up enough fries to fill the carton. Your goal is to fill each bag or carton completely. That will ensure our guests receive a full portion of fries for each order. Don't overfill, just fill them completely to the top. Place the bag or carton on the holding rack. That will help keep the product hot until it is needed. It's best to fill the bag or carton as needed because fries stay hotter and crispier in the holding area. The timer will automatically alert you when products need to be discarded. When the timer sounds and the display says hold, it's time to discard and make a fresh batch if needed. Never serve fries beyond their hold time. They may seem okay to you, but by the time they get to our guests, their quality will be unacceptable. And we always want our guests to receive hot, fresh products. We cook other products, like chicken in the fryers too, cooking steps are basically the same. These products are also stored in the freezer and cooked as needed. Some products are loaded and cooked in special racks. There is a special bar that goes on top to hold everything in place. Then, place the rack into the correct fryer and press the timer. Your trainer will review the cook and holding times for each fried product, or you can refer to the job aids or training materials posted at your station. Over time, you will learn all the important times to remember. Your trainer will now review each one with you and let you practice. As you work at the fry station, there are several important safety points to keep in mind. Always use a fry basket or rack to cook products. If a staging area is available, your trainer will show you how to use it. The shortening is extremely hot. Be careful when lowering products into the shortening or when removing them. Never touch the shortening. Basket and rack surfaces get very hot, so be sure to only touch the handles. Never throw ice or water into the fryer, or it will cause the shortening to splatter and pop. Never lean against or touch the fryer area with your bare hands. All the surfaces are very hot. It's important that you always use caution while working around the fryers. If you should ever burn or hurt yourself while working at the fry station, immediately notify management. If you ever see a grease spill on the floor, ask for assistance on how to clean it up before it causes an accident. Finally, as you work at the fry station, use a towel to keep the area clean. Wipe up any shortening that may have spilled onto the front ledge or counter area right away. Keep it neat and clean at all times. As you have seen, you'll be cooking many different products at the fry station. You have just learned the basics on how to operate the fryers, how to cook products, and how to work safely and efficiently. Now it's time to work with your trainer, and be sure to ask any questions you might have. Soon, you will be an expert at cooking at the fry station and a star performer on our team.